Hello, y'all. We have an Amtrak NPCU, COMET CARS, and a Dash 8 coming here at Orange train station. I'm gonna head down there a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna head down here so I don't have poles in my video. All right, here we go. Here it comes. It's coming. Orange train station, COMET CARS Dash 8 NPCU on Amtrak a573 bound for LA Union. Here it comes. This is probably gonna be one of the few times you see Amtrak on my channel, unless it's either a Dash 8 or this. Here it comes. Smell the diesel. Awesome Amtrak COMET's Dash 8 NPCU by Orange train station. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed filming it. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.